Geography. Air surrounding the Earth. Ambient air. A huge blanket of air surrounds the Earth. There are breathable gases in the air on which all living beings that are present on the Earth depend. The ambient air has certain qualities and properties that make it possible to sustain life on the Earth. Composition of air. The ambient air that we breathe is a mixture of several gases. Nitrogen and oxygen together constitute the major portion of the air. However, the other gases that are present are also very important for living things. Animals and humans inhale nitrogen, while plants absorb nitrogen from the soil with the help of their roots. Properties of air. Because of the presence of the gases in the atmosphere, it has some special characteristics or properties like temperature and pressure. Starting from the surface of the Earth, the atmosphere is divided into 5 layers based on these properties. Atmospheric properties such as temperature and pressure in combination with other factors that influence them, namely latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, winds, ocean currents, direction of mountain ranges, and slope of land have played a major role in the weather and climatic conditions on the Earth. It can be seen from the map that the climatic regions on the map correspond almost with the temperature zones of the Earth. The solar radiation that reaches the upper layer of atmosphere is known as insolation. The climate and the heat budget of the Earth are dependent on insolation, pressure, and winds. Temperature. As we go from the equator to the poles, the amount of isolation decreases. Just like the decrease in temperature, the average temperature of the Earth, 13 degree to 14 degrees Celsius, the temperature may range from 30 degrees Celsius in hot deserts to minus 55 degrees Celsius at the poles. In urban areas, the temperature is higher than that of rural areas because of the abundance of concrete and metallic structures. Pressure. As we move up the atmospheric layers, there is rapid fall in pressure. The weight of 1 square centimeter or centimeter square of air at sea level is almost 1034 kg. The temperature of the Earth at a given place influences the distribution of air pressure of that place. There are 2 important things that must be noted about air pressure. Cloudy skies and wet weather cause low air pressure. The movement of air is always from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. Isotherms and isobars. An isotherm may refer to a type of contour line on a map that connects or indicates points of equal temperature. An isobar is a line connecting points of equal atmospheric pressure. Distribution of pressure. There is a certain specific pattern for the world distribution of mean sea level pressure measured in millibars between land and sea for the months of January and July. The most important and controlling factor for the movement of winds is atmospheric pressure, which affects both weather and climate. The atmospheric pressure in turn is influenced by the temperature of the region, as can be understood from the diagram on the left. The pressure and wind belts of the earth follow the pattern of temperature zones. Wind systems. Permanent winds. On the Earth's surface, certain winds blow constantly in a particular direction throughout the year. These are known as the permanent or the planetary winds. The trade winds, the westerlies and the easterlies are the main planetary winds of the world. Seasonal winds. These winds change their direction according to the season. Land and sea, breezes and monsoon winds are winds of the seasonal type. Local winds. Local winds are the winds that blow during a particular period of the year or day. They are very irregular. The low or the strong, hot and dry summer afternoon wind of northern India and the forehand of the northern Alps are good examples of local winds.